Have you ever been stuck without words in English? Maybe by a sudden compliment, an unexpected question, or something shocking, and you just froze? Don't worry. Today, I'll help you avoid those awkward silences. I'll share 12 natural replies for surprising situations, and one of them might become your new favorite. Let's get started. 1. When someone compliments you. They say, "You look amazing today." You can reply,
Thanks, that's so sweet of you. I appreciate that. You just made my day. Oh, thank you. You look great too.
tip for you. Don't just say, "Thanks," add warmth. 2. When someone asks for help. They say, "Can you help me with this?" You can reply,
Sure, what do you need? Of course, happy to help. I'll do my best. What's going on?
tip for you. Sound willing, not bored. 3. When someone says something shocking. They say, "I just quit my job." You can reply,
Wait, what? Are you serious? Wow, that's a big step. What happened? Oh my gosh. How are you feeling about it?
tip for you. Use your tone to show surprise. 4. When someone apologizes to you. They say, "I'm really sorry about that." You can reply,
It's okay. No worries. Thanks for saying that. I appreciate your apology.
tip for you. Acknowledge the apology. It shows maturity. 5. When someone asks an awkward question. They say, "Why are you still single?" You can reply,
Because I'm enjoying life my way. Why, do you have someone in mind? That's a story for another day.
tip for you. You can be polite or cheeky, your choice. 6. When someone invites you unexpectedly. They say, "Hey, want to join us for dinner tonight?" You can reply,
That sounds fun. What time? I'd love to. Thanks for inviting me. I can't tonight, but I'd love to another time.
tip for you. Even if you say no, say it politely. 7. When someone gives you a gift. They say, "Here, this is for you." You can reply,
Wow, thank you so much. That's really thoughtful. Oh, you didn't have to. I love it. This just made my day. Thank you.
tip for you. Don't just say, "Thanks," show excitement. 8. When someone disagrees with you. They say, "I don't think you're right about that." You can reply,
That's interesting. Tell me more. I see your point, but here's what I think. We don't have to agree, but I respect your view.
tip for you. Stay calm. Disagreements don't need to become fights. 9. When someone asks about your weekend. They say, "So, what did you do this weekend?" You can reply,
I had a relaxing one. Just stayed home and watched movies. It was great. I went out with some friends. Honestly, I just needed some rest, but it was nice.
tip for you. Keep it short and natural. It's just small talk. 10. When someone says, "Good luck." They say, "Good luck with your exam presentation." You can reply,
Thanks. I really appreciate that. I'll do my best. Thank you. That means a lot. Wish me luck.
tip for you. A little positivity makes you sound confident. 11. When someone says, "Take care." They say, "Take care." You can reply,
You too. See you soon. Thanks. I will. Stay safe. I will. Don't worry.
tip for you. Keep it simple and warm. 12. When someone says, "Nice to meet you." They say, "It was nice meeting you." You can reply,
Take care as well. Nice meeting you too. Same here. Hope we meet again soon. It was a pleasure talking to you.
tip for you. Ending on a polite note leaves a good impression. And that's it. Now you have 12 natural replies for surprising situations in English. No more freezing, no more awkward silence. You'll always be ready with the right response. Tell me in the comments which of these situations happens to you the most. And which reply will you try first? Don't forget to download your free worksheet for more practice. The link is below. Subscribe English Word Hub, where learning English becomes simple and fun.